Let's take a new exercise in SolidWorks for beginners. Let's create this metal ornament shape of or body metal ornament body. See, there are 5 number of patterns, and see this shape. We will create this shape with the help of 3D sketch and surface feature. Cancel it. Now see, this is the R drawing. Dimensions millimeter, wire diameter 6 millimeter. Okay. Now see the total length of this 200 millimeter, including corner radius 206, means radius 3 millimeter both sides. So it's become 206. There are 5 number, you will see from side view, there are 5 number of wires. Center diameter 17 millimeter. Now start angle we will see. Now you will see one dotted line. We will create one surface which is going to create a path for our geometry. Now total 200, corner radius 50, this corner 40, height 25, and this height 8.5. Okay, we will create this. Then we will create one plane, and here we will create a path. Pitch is given. Okay, let's finish this. Right plane sketch. Okay, let me activate center line, and here choose infinite length. Start with origin point. Okay, now activate line. Go back to the point and see line is going to convert into arc. Okay, now drag this. Okay, there is some relation. Let's see what relations. Delete this. Select this end. Tangent relation, delete this. Now move this curve. Okay, this is moving. Now let me hold both end equal and collinear. This is important. Now let's define dimensions. 200, 50, 40, and select corner. Yes. Select this corner. Yes. Okay, and cancel. Let's see what else balance. Distance from here to here. If you see diameter, diameter given 17. Okay. Now hold shift key, select this line and this upper edge, and see radius. If you move downside, diameter. So radius is given 25. Okay, still drawing not fully defined. Center point from here. Okay, this is 100 millimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we have all the dimensions. Tangent, tangent, tangent. Then what things? Okay, center. Okay, the most important thing. Delete. Now origin to this end point. 200 divided by 2, it's 100 millimeter. Now go to surface, apply revolve surface. Look, by default, system took this center line as the axis of revolution. Keep end condition blind, and here by default angle 360, because we need a complete circular body. Apply. Okay, let's make it some color to this body. Okay. Now let me apply plane. First reference plane, front plane, 100 millimeter. Okay, this side, fine. Now, for this spiral, we have to create one spiral. Total length 200 and pitch 60 given here. Okay, so let me select this face, sketch, activate circle, keep diameter 50 equivalent to this. Now go to feature, apply helix and spiral, isometric view. Now see height and pitch. Constant height how much? 200. Pitch 60. Reverse direction angle, in this case 260 clockwise. Say okay. Okay, let me create one more sketch, activate line and draw a line. Make line bigger than this body. Okay, 50. Still not defined, make sure vertical. Exit. Now click and hide sketch. Now go to surface, apply swift surface. Now here sketch profile. Now here profile this length, sketch this curve. Go to option and here follow path, minimum twist, specify twist value. Look, this is what we achieved with the help of line and curve. Yes. Now I want to create a path here. So let me activate 3D sketch. Now in this sketch, we have one option called intersection. Now here, let me select this curve and select these faces, all the faces, because we need to create curve on all faces. Apply. Now you will see, cancel. Now let me hide. Either you can delete or hide both the body, no issue. Hide. Look, even let me hide. See, this is how we create a wire thread helix body. Shift to boss base, choose circular profile. See, the path is selected and diameter 6. See, 5 number of wires, diameter 6. I think we covered all. Now, if we see the corner, here also a radius. You will observe here. See this corner, half circle. So we will do that. Okay. Select this face, sketch, convert entity. Draw a half circle. Trim entity, power trim and remove half circle. Okay. Apply revolve boss base feature. In this case, select this line as a axis. Angle 180 is enough. 180 degree. Reverse. Yes. See. The same thing I am going to do another end. Sketch. We hide the body. Select the face. Sketch. Apply convert entity. See. Activate line and draw one line and create half body. Trim entity, remove half circle. Okay. Apply revolve boss base feature, this vertical line as a axis of revolution, and you will see a complete 360 body going to create, but we need 180, only half body. Merge result. Okay. Now it's time to make multiple patterns. So before that, I'm going to create one axis. Temporary axis won't work here. So select axis, top plane, right plane. Two planes. Okay. See, once axis is created, Now let me choose, go to metal, brass, brushed, body. Okay, circular pattern. Now choose here body, select this body, 5 number of patterns, 360 equal space. For axis, choose axis. Yes. Let me drop down and hide axis. See, this is how we create this metal ornament. See, don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.